you did ask your thoughts for more thoughts on insurance options for iPhones. I run a small repair shop myself. It's crackedgadgets.com. He says we work with a company called Akko, AKKO. The problems I find with the other insurance company are price, deductibles, the quality of repaired product. If your device is not repairable, lost, or stolen, they'll send you a refurbished phone, and their refurbishing process is not exactly known to be the highest of qualities.
Oh, this is not Akko that does this.
This is not Akko. Yeah, that's
okay.
what he's recommending. I'm just not bad-mouthing the other one,
Got it.
I guess I could, but in that scenario, Akko, AKKO, not only are the deductibles generally much lower, they'll send you cash for the replacement value of your phone. They also have a very nice plan, which is the one I usually personally use for $15 a month. Covers one phone and up to 25 other devices like computers, game consoles, tablets, golf clubs, bicycles. I don't know, your mother-in-law's teeth, dentures. I don't know. 25 devices. That's a lot. And they're also very flexible with Rare. You can take the device for repair. If you bring it to a shop like mine, we work with them directly and we get paid by them. But if you need to take it somewhere else, you can pay for it and get reimbursed. I hope that didn't sound too much like an advertisement. Love the podcast always. So this Akko sounds like
that's a good thing.
Quality insurance. Yeah.
And you can, I'm looking on their website here, you can get a phone only plan for $5 a month. So that make sure, I mean, you folks are smart. You would find your way there, but the link that I'm putting in the show notes brings you to the Akko consumer page because they have, they're an insurance company, so they do a lot of different things. Yeah. And at first I was really confused, and then I was able to find their consumer-facing website, and it was like, okay, this is where we actually find the things that matter for this conversation. So, very cool. Thanks, Jeff. Good stuff.